Hey, what's up everybody? I want to talk to you a little bit more about Craigslist. These are used remote controls. So I bought these and a whole bunch more remote controls on Craigslist. If you go under for sale, there's a section there that says general. And I was just clicking through there to see what the hell was in there. And I came across an ad of a guy who had 36 used remote controls. I got 36 of them for $30. The most I've sold any remote for yet is $28. If you search the remote and the model number on the remote, you will basically find how much they're selling for. And some of these remotes sell for upwards of $50. But when you're buying something on Craigslist, always meet them in a public place like a Walmart parking lot. Do it in the daytime at a time where there'd be plenty of people. Really about it.
Wake up in the morning, take a piss and wash my hands, take a knee and thank the